You should be concerned about butterfly farms because of how important they are. Here we are at the butterfly house at the Wilhelm Zoo in Stuttgart, Germany. Though you can imagine that a proper butterfly farm would have very similar conditions, which is warm and humid year-round. Butterflies actually need a humid part so that they don't dry out, which would render them unable to fly. So why do even places like this exist? Well, one reason is that butterflies are, as almost all other organisms nowadays, experiencing habitat loss. But somebody found out that farming butterflies can kill 3 birds with 1 stone. Bird number 1 is conserving butterflies, bird number 2 is protecting forests and other habitats, and bird number 3 is providing income to indigenous communities. So it came to be that countries like Costa Rica, Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, Ecuador became the world's most prominent butterfly exporters. And the local tribes or other people there are farming butterflies for profit while conserving the environment. Otherwise they wouldn't be able to farm them anymore. They usually let the caterpillars form a chrysalis, which is among other things the most transport-hardy form of a butterfly, and then ship them to the USA, countries in Europe, Singapore, etc. Now you might be asking, yeah, that's all good, but why? That's a good question, and the answer is that some people wanna release the butterflies at their wedding, for example. But these usually come from the country of the wedding, and there are some regulations to where can you release which butterflies to not harm the environment. Then we have buyers from the research space, which for example try to make insecticides that harm the pests but not the butterflies, and they obviously need to test it. So they just order wholesale butterflies from the exporting countries. And lastly we have butterfly enthusiasts that buy the chrysalises to rear them at home, or big institutions like the zoo that wanna display the beauty of butterflies to the broad public. So butterfly farming has some importance to it. Thanks for watching.